Hi friends, this started as a weight loss channel, one in which I was documenting my own personal journey, but what I've realized is that this is so much more. Losing weight is only a part of that journey. It's only a part of that story. If you're over 50, or even if you're not and you're younger, but you truly want to make some changes in your life and you really want to make them stick, I'm here for you. This channel is for you. Come join me. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know that my main focus has been on my weight loss journey, being on a GLP-1 and trying to improve my health. While weight loss is still a very big part of my life, I wanted to expand this channel. So something has been growing in my heart, and I wanted to share that with you today. I wrote some notes, so if I'm looking down, I'm referring, because I really want to make sure that I bring all the points that are in my mind and in my heart to life here on this channel. This journey in life, now that I'm 70, is about so much more than just losing weight. It's about redefining who we are. A lot of us feel this way at this point in our lives. So if this is something you're looking to examine and change, you're in the right place. My name is Daryl. I've lost a total of 68 pounds so far on my weight loss journey over the past 2 years. Yes, I've been on a GLP-1, but I'm learning now that I really need to continue making those healthy changes to my environment, to my life, to my well-being, to all the things. And I want to share that here on this channel. I know I'm not alone in that. I know there are people out there who are looking to examine the same types of things, especially later in life. So today I want to share something new with you. This is going to be an evolution of my channel. I'm keeping the name the same, but the space is going to be so much more than just weight loss. It is going to be a place where we talk about health, healing, both body, mind, and spirit, growth, real life transformation, especially for those of us who are over 50 and ready to live differently. Although I welcome the young people to come in here as well, I think my experience really addresses those of you who are 50 or older. This can be a place where guys and women can come, so I invite everyone to be here. I'll be right there with you. I'll be walking this journey, continuing along my own path as I continue to lose over 100 pounds. This was where I began in terms of starting this channel, but I want my channel to grow. I want it to change like I'm changing. So come along with me, if you will. Why am I expanding my channel? My personal growth, because I am working on all parts of myself, has really expanded. So I felt my channel needed to expand. My personal growth is way beyond what's on the scale. And I think more people, especially as they're on a health journey or on a transformation journey of any kind, whether it be with exercise or, retirement or whatever that might be, we really want to see beyond the immediate. And we want to change a lot of those things that go along the way. Basically, what I'm saying is the desire there is to change the whole person, not just a number on the scale. We want to change body, mind, and lifestyle. And that's what my channel is going to be more about. My mission is to encourage, not to pressure, not to preach, not even to teach. When I talk about what works for me, remember, it's what may be working for me, and it's just a suggestion for you. My sharing it is a way for me to chronicle how my own journey is going, but it's also a way for me to make a suggestion that you might want to consider. I have learned so much following people on YouTube, and I really feel this is a great way to kind of sift through all the information that's out there and decide what might work for you. So it's a place for encouragement and support, not pressure, not perfection. I want to build a community where people feel understood, where they feel heard. And if you're feeling stuck or overwhelmed in any way and you're ready for change, you're in the right place here. In order to get more information on an ongoing basis, be sure that you're subscribed and that you ring the bell so that you get a notification that I've put up a new video, and you can check it out each time that I do. This is a place for people on GLP-1 medications who are looking to lose some weight and regain their health, but it's also a place for people who are not using medications but want to change their health and wellness and improve their lifestyle. Some of the topics I'm going to be expanding upon will be continued work on sustainable weight loss. Sustainable is the operative word there. I want my maintenance to be pretty much the way I'm losing my weight and the way I'm changing my lifestyle. I want that to continue with consistency. Healthy habits that actually stick. We'll be talking a lot about that. And much of it I have talked about so far on my channel, but we'll be talking about it in the future as well. Simple, realistic, healthy cooking ideas. What I eat in a day, I'll be sharing from time to time because that seems to be something that a lot of people are looking for. Fashion and feeling confident in new clothes. I took out some jeans that don't fit the other day and I tried them on and they don't pull up past my thighs. But that will be a way that I am watching as my clothing size gets smaller. I'll be watching myself get into those jeans and then eventually into jeans that are even smaller than that. So that will be a way that I'm looking at a non-scale victory as well. So fashion, changing our bodies, feeling more confident, decluttering and simplifying your home, emotional wellness and mindset changes. I'm in therapy. One of the things I'm finding so helpful in therapy, we were just talking about it today in a session, is that it takes a village sometimes. I need my doctor's advice. I need my therapist's advice. I need to go to see the people that help me, like getting a massage or getting my hair cut, or it just takes a village to improve our lives. Emotional wellness and mindset, rebuilding life at any age, and creating peace. I really want this to be a peaceful place for you to come and find ideas and things that will help you on your own journey. So I want to continue with my own personal weight loss story. I want to continue sharing that with you because I think a lot of people learn by seeing what other people do. And even if you don't choose to do what I'm doing or the way I'm doing it, you may want to try some of the ideas that I have and decide for yourselves whether or not that is going to be something you want to improve. So I will be losing over 100 pounds when I'm done with this journey. Although, guess what? I don't think I'll ever be done. I think this is something I will work on until the day I close my eyes. I will be honest with you always. I will never sugarcoat anything. I will tell you how it is and what it's like, my wins, my struggles, my real life experience. I want to be relatable, but not perfect. I want to be a person that you can feel comfortable asking questions. I want to help you slow down in this really overwhelming, fast-paced world that we're in right now. Simple routines I want to offer to you that give you calm and clarity and a way for you to continue on your daily activities in a peaceful, loving way to yourself. Making your home feel supportive and restful. I invite you to come along with me on this journey. please come along with me on this journey. I think it's something that we can help one another. I encourage comments, suggestions, questions. Please leave them in the comments below. I think that will be a very, very useful way for me to impart some of my own experience to you once I know what you're looking for. Please feel free to leave a comment down below, ask a question, ask what you want to see more of. I'd love to see that as well. Pop it down below. In closing, I want to reassure you that we are all the same. We may have different goals and aspirations in life, but we are not alone. That is really important for me to let you know that you are not alone. This is a safe place for change. I will not tolerate comments or things that are negative. No negativity here. I want it to be a peaceful place. Notice I say that word peaceful a lot because that's what I want my YouTube channel to be. I want it to be a peaceful, reassuring place that you know that we are in this all together and we can do it together. Have an awesome week, everybody, and I'll see you in the next one.